Isn't it just one of the worst things when you wake up, you're excited for your muesli and you've run out of your favourite nut milk? Well, fear not. If you're like me that always has a nut spread like a cashew nut or even an almond nut spread like I have here, you can actually mix this with water, blend it and make a version of almond milk. So place the almond butter, about a cup, into your blender, and we're going to fill this up with about 800 mils of water. And if you want a sweet almond milk, you could add some sweetener to it. So you could add some maple syrup or some honey. I'm going to keep it absolutely natural. And we're just going to blend this until it's quite creamy and lighter in colour. And just like that, we've made the perfect nut milk. How clever is this? So we're just going to strain it so there's no bits at all in there. And that right there is almond milk. If you want to go one step further, you can scrape that foam off so you got that perfect milk ready to pop into a jug, into the fridge. And I just love almond milk with chai teas just like this. A splash of this homemade almond milk into that. Or the other option is straight over some glorious homemade muesli and serve it with berries.